What up, YouTube? It's your boy Garrett here with Team Dread Sport Fishing. Got a red hot video coming at you here. We killed them. Took the boat over to Catalina Island for some deep drop rock fishing before the season ends. It was a good one. Spent day one on the east bank fishing local between 750 to 950 feet of water. Got some quality rockfish. Bite was a little slow in the morning, but we finally found the numbers. We knocked them stupid. And then we motored the boat over west into Catalina, anchored up in Emerald Bay, filled up the brand new dual chamber bait tank full of live mackerel. Got a good night's sleep. Then we went over to the west end humps, fishing between about 550, 650 feet. We knocked them stupid. So stick around towards the end of the video. It picks up towards the end. The action gets red hot on day two. So check it out, and I'll catch you on the flip side. Peace. Deep dropping for rock cod or rockfish. All right. All right, here we go, guys. 3 pounds of lead, about 850 feet, 900 feet. First honey hole with the electric reels. Here we go. Bombs away.
I'm bit. I'm really bit. And I'm not getting rocked. Here we go. Just like that fast. I took about 15 seconds. Now we'll just wind this baby on up by itself automatic. I'm gonna get the poker just in case I gotta push away from the boat. You're bit. Go, go. Don't get rocked. Don't get rocked. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Way to go, buddy. Okay, here's an update. About 39. I got my hand on the stop manual because I don't trust it. We're on the mono right now, okay, so it should be close to color if I got anything. Got color. Got color, and it didn't stop. There's my color right there. Here we go. It did not stop. Don't trust it. Here we go.
Let's see, that's a Mexican.
Nope, that ain't a Mexican.
What is it, Jared?
It's a red.
That ain't a Mex.
No, Mexican's darker.
Oh yeah, it might be a star.
Yep, looking good. That's a good one, dude. Winner right there.
Oh, I do got one.
Yeah.
Nice.
I might have a little one too, I don't know.
If I say that, you will have one. Then you won't have to.
He's not that little. He's a good one. Look. He's a keeper.
Hey, you got a little tyke, huh?
Yeah, he's a keeper. Nice.
A little tyke too.
Hey, you need a hook up there?
Oh, we got
Hey, you need the hook?
Yeah. Reach.
Son of a
Look out.
Nope, you don't got one.
You're in the way.
loser!
Alrighty. Oh, look at that. It looped around. Hooked them weird. Some jellyfish on there. Whoa, look at that. What are the odds of that? Went through the eyelet. That's strange. Bizarre.
The hooks, there's two covered.
No way, this thing hooked him so hard. There's no way that fish was coming off.
I think I'm getting bit.
Yeah, you got a couple of bites, Dad.
I'm bit. It took a while though. Yeah. In color. In color. And he stopped.
Yep, that's a decent one.
He's got a, that one looks
Same. That's a good one too.
There he is right there. And here we go.
That's what they want. You gotta go with what they want. I mean, I did get bit a couple times on the beach.
Ooh, that's a good one, dude.
Time I take a picture now, like,
Yeah, I got a fish on for sure. I got one on. Oh yeah. Nice, I'm hooked up here. Nice one. I got a good one on here. I think so. Got a nice bend in that rod. Yeah. Alrighty. Here it comes. Deep color, baby. Got a nice one.
drop or no drop?
No drop. Got a double, baby. Yeah. There we go. Look at that bad boy, guys. Rah, rah. They want the little feathers. That's the trick. Look at this guy.
Yeah!
Nice.
Good one. Big boy right there. Nice fish. Sweet. 900 feet, baby. That's what we're going for. Right there. Sweet.
I was dragging this guy.
Nice one.
Dragging him.
All right.
Didn't know I had him.
Another biter.
Okay.
There's a good
I guess
one.
I'll just keep going then.
Yeah, here, I'm gonna reposition us and then we're gonna drop again.
We got mono.
He's got mono. Get your finger on the button. Get your finger on the button in case you don't stop.
I'll let you do that then, dude. If it's native. Let's flip them up.
Mono and mono.
Let's see. Stop button is this one, right?
Red. Here he comes.
Here's deep color. Keep going, hit the red. Keep going.
Oh, it's not that big.
Keep going. Oh, nice.
He's good. The Mexicans are tough.
That's a widow. It's a widow.
Hey, widow. Hey,
Widow. Widow.
Look at he's taking a shit.
Oh,
Oh, look at that.
it's a trophy.
I think we're tripled up here.
Triple hookup, baby. We finally got him. I think mine's little though.
Mine's still on there.
You don't know that. We'll find out. Mine was hooked pretty good. Got it.
Let me see him.
Go that way.
Oh, that's a good
more.
fish.
And you got
Oh, they got all tangled up. Here.
You're strangling me.
I need you to just give me slack so I can let it down.
Go your arm this way so you're not cutting my
Let me
neck
get the
off.
fish off first, guys. Here. All right, now you guys can argue. Not bad.
Watch out for that battery.
All right, here we go. Let's see how we're doing, guys. Let's look in the kill bag. Nothing. I had a little one. I think it might have came off. Triple hookup, baby.
Oh,
Triple hookup.
way to go, dudes.
Finally, we finding a spot that's biting right now. I think the fish moved from.
It's 10 minutes to 2.
I know.
Hey, is that your line going bang, bang, bang?
Yeah, he's got one on too. I'm pretty sure we all do. Hell yeah, gentlemen.
The swells are going crisscross. Look at that.
I know, the drift is weird. It keeps throwing me off. I have to keep using the thrusters to straighten us out. There we go.
Have you ever seen a checker, like a checker?
Whoa, you got a good one on, dude. Yours is kicking, bro. He's waking up.
You ever see a checkerboard swell?
Yeah,
I mean, it looks like squares.
yeah,
Even.
yeah. It's probably pretty rare.
Yeah.
Okay, watch, these lines are coming. They're going like this to watch
Yeah, just keep an eye on him.
right now.
Got a brick fish.
It's a brick.
One I caught in the harbor.
I know, I was on that trip. It was hilarious. We thought it was like a 30-pound halibut. It was a goddamn brick. So this area that we're fishing here, guys, the southeast bank, we got some red hot numbers in this area that we've been fishing for a long, long time. We actually were fishing some of these numbers before they put the ban in this area. So when they opened this back up for deep dropping, it was like Christmas and Hanukkah combined for us because, you know, these spots haven't been fished in a really long time. And, you know, believe it or not, we've gotten fish off of this exact spot here. Absolute giant fish. I mean, we caught Mexicans on this spot that were within a half a pound of the state record. So I'll put a couple shots up on the screen here so you guys can see. Even though we didn't nail any giant fish on this day, I just want to let you guys, you know, see the potential that this spot actually has. And it's right in our backyard. You know, you don't necessarily have to, you know, drive overnight or even go to Catalina or San Clemente Island to get giant fish. We got them right here in our own backyard. Good one.
Look at that.
Green Blotch rockfish. Let's get this guy up. On that bottom hook, as usual, these green Blotch are almost always at the bottom. They don't come very far off the bottom. He hit that grub with the cut squid on there. There we go. There's a nice fish. Nice. All right, we're gonna have a double coming up back here, guys. Let's go take a look. Okay. Here comes some color. Yours came off, Dad. Oh, look, Barry's got a big one. Oh, yeah, baby.
What, I got two?
No, you got one nice big fat one. Here, do auto.
Like that big.
Oh, dude, that's a freaking nice fish, bro. What are you talking about?
All right, give me the gaffer. I'm gonna pull the line up here and grab.
Yeah, here we go.
Dude, that is a nice, that's a
Yeah.
nice one.
That's a great one. If we get a whole bag of those, we'll be stoked.
It wasn't like Big Daddy.
Oh, I don't know, dude. For a green spot or green blotch, that's a pretty big one right there.
Yeah, I don't
Mine popped off. Oh well.
Okay, Bubba. You gonna take them up front?
I'll take them up front. Here, do me a favor. Grab that. Grab that. Yeah. I got him. I'll put him in the box.
Are we moving again or we dropping?
I'm gonna put us right on it. We're just gonna keep hitting it over and over again, because this spot's the best biting spot of the day so far. All right, guys, let's see what we got going on here. We're starting to fill it up. There's another one. Oh, that's a good one. And another one. All right. Got a little tangle here. We're hand lining this guy up. He's blowing bubbles. There you go. Keep going. He's no wonder. I had two little ones on the whole time. Huh. Okay. That's not a bad fish. That's a good one.
Right on up. Whoa. Of course.
That blue one's hooped on it.
Look at that shit.
Big mola mola.
Coming up to steal our bait.
Nah, he's just saying hi.
Get the gaff. Get the big long gaff. I can get him.
Oh, stop it.
I'm just joking.
I know.
Look at him. Oh, that is way cool. He's going under the boat.
Pretty sweet. He's gonna cruise back around again.
He likes that toilet water.
Yeah. There he is. Cruising back out again.
Dude, they're freaky looking.
They are pretty freaky. They're pretty alien looking.
Taste like?
I don't think they're really edible.
I don't know. I don't know anybody that's ever ate one.
He's underneath that kelp patty right there.
Look at that.
That's what he's hanging out on.
Yeah.
He's coming right up on it.
Yeah, that's his bread and butter right there.
Yeah.
Okay, I gotta. This thing got twisted up more than a.
He's coming up
barrel of
shallower.
snakes.
Here comes up towards the top. He's gonna come right up. He's gonna poke his fin out of the water. That's pretty cool. Oh, we're getting closer. Getting closer. Hey, calm down in there. All right. Let's see what we got here. Here he comes. It's a Mexican. Bring him up.
There's something else. Oh, bubbles.
No, those are bubbles. Oh, it's a good one. Good Mexican.
He's all right.
Oh, he's good.
He's all right. Yeah, scoop him up.
There he is. That hook's probably gonna get in the net. No, we're good. It's in his mouth. He's a keeper for sure. I got him.
I was gonna take him off the pliers.
Got him.
Top hook.
Top hook.
Top hook.
In the bag he goes. I think I might have one like this on mine. He was a fighter. You're going in the bag, buddy. Here we go. And another one. All right, the wind's picked up big time. I had to up the weight. I got a 3-pounder on the bow. These guys are fishing 6-pounders on the big Mia epochs. I think I got a fish on mine though. It looked like it was tugging even though I had probably about 1,400 feet of scope out. Let's see here, we're coming up. Let's see if we get some color action. Getting close, gotta be something on there. I saw him kicking. There we go, some deep color. What do we got here? There he is. Ah, he's a little guy. Darn. Little guy. Bummer. I think I'm gonna descend him on the descender rig. Hey, it's dolphins right here. Check these dolphins out, guys. Here they come. Nice. Show yourself, dolphins. Show yourself. Show your face, dolphin.
What's going on?
There's a school of dolphins coming through. I got them on video.
Oh, that's a little one, but he ain't that little.
No, he's kind of little. I'm gonna descend this guy back down. So after a slow and steady pick for the most of the day, the wind finally picked up and it started to blow pretty nasty. We had to get out of there. So we decided to go ahead and make the haul over the west side of Catalina. And we went over to Emerald Bay and anchored up for the evening, had some dinner, you know, relaxed for a little bit. It was really rough on the ride over. We were going directly into the swell. Got the living crap beat out of us on the ride over. But, you know, it was nice to finally get into Emerald Bay and relax. And then we got the bait makers out and started catching live mackerel for the next day. And we were able to fill up the entire bait tank. What's up, dude?
Hey.
All right, Ned, check it out, bro. Look at this bad boy.
Making max.
Making max. I got one tank.
Oh.
2 tanks.
Snakes.
Got about 75 in there already. Getting ready for dropping tomorrow.
Jelly snakes.
This water is insane. There is a full-on squid float under the boat. Thousands of mackerel. Baby tuna crabs. A bunch of crazy shit under the boat.
Jellies with
These jellyfish things are
dots
just
on 'em.
bizarre. Let's see if I can zoom into one so you can see them. Jellyfish coming up to the light.
They're clear with pink dots.
Yeah, they're strange. Bunch of weird stuff. There's another one right there. Watch them move like a snake. Bizarre. Ooh, yeah. So with the bait tank full of live mackerel, didn't take very long. First thing in the morning the next day, Barry ended up hooking the biggest fish of the trip. Take a look. Oh, buddy. Yeah, hooked up. West end of Catalina, baby. Barry's hooked up again.
So
Those circle hooks. Yeah, those circle hooks. Oh, did you put a smaller mackerel on?
I did.
It's a little small.
A little small? I think maybe they like the small ones.
Whatever, I figure
Oh, dude, it's kicking.
they might get their mouth around it better if it's small than
Okay,
a big one.
get ready to hit the green or the red button once we get onto mono.
We get mono.
Yeah.
We're still on the Spectra.
Yeah.
Got a ways to go. The mono first.
Okay, so now lingcod have to be 22 inches. So if it's a short,
I was gonna ask you, where's your measuring stick on this boat?
we got a tape measure. We got a tape measure. Yeah, we got a couple of them.
Gotta find it.
All right, I got a net and a gaff here, depending on what we're working with.
How about you up front?
Mine's down. I got thumped a couple times, but no, they didn't inhale it.
Got it. I put a smaller one on too.
Yeah, last one.
Yeah, with that circle hook, that put a smaller one on. They'll just inhale the whole thing.
At least partly has a hook because the head was crushed and that
Right,
through his
right.
head.
He's still on there. He's still on there. Here comes mono.
Kicking like a lingcod does.
Okay,
It's a mud marlin.
it's a mud marlin. Oh, here comes color. It's not a lingcod, it's a big rockfish. Okay, get ready. Hit it. Keep going. Keep going. Oh, dude.
Oh my God!
Nice salmon, dude.
Holy shit!
I told you there's some real big salmon grouper on this spot. Okay, that is a slug, bro.
God.
Slug salmon grouper.
Holy shit!
I've caught them actually just as big as if not bigger. Okay, look at that right in the corner of the mouth. Okay, here, hold that for me.
Look, oh, that might be my mac.
Hey, Look at that guy.
Holy crap.
We're gonna move before dropping again, is that correct?
No, my dad just got down. The drift isn't super fast today.
Crap.
Hey, this is what you had the first drop that spun off. Another one of these guys.
Oh my God. That's awesome, Chew.
Big salmon, dude. That's a good one. Excellent.
What was I gonna do? Get the tape measure.
All right. Big salmon grouper in the kill bag. Here we go. Will he fit? Oh, we gotta put new ice on these guys for sure. Except that's nice and cold though. All right. Add a little salmon grouper on here. Didn't even realize. What is this thing going on? There we go. All right, here we go. Ooh. No wonder he was gut hooked. He swallowed that mackerel. No wonder he didn't kick. He was hurting. Oh, my bit up there? No, not yet. Okay. Let me know when you're close. I'll come over with the net. Oh, I'm getting hammered. Got him. Yeah, big one here. Woo! There we go. Yep, he's on there. Yeah! Sweet. I think they might be salmon grouper. You might got a big salmon grouper like Barry did.
Yeah, could be. All I know, I swear to God, Gary, I put it in gear and went half a crank off the bottom, just wow!
Yep. Keep cranking them.
Look at him.
I got one on the bow. I'm hooked up.
Good.
He's a kicker too.
Woohoo!
We're getting close here. Deep color, here it comes. Another salmon grouper. Another salmon.
15 at a time, and we had a place, that right there was only like a medium,
Yep.
It is a
Salmon grouper, I'm almost certain.
oh, it ain't a salmon grouper.
Nice, good.
Man, that guy told me.
Oh, that's a nice red. Nice red.
That's a red.
That's a red.
That dude.
You could bounce him. He'll come in. Just bounce him right in. And he's floating too. Okay.
Net him. Net him.
He's good. Nice.
Hey, can I drop that down?
Yeah,
Dude,
just do it.
that's beautiful.
Yeah, the reds. We're allowed 2 of those per person per day, so
Hey,
let's get more of those.
All right.
Those eat the best.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Woohoo! Here, you can hit mine if you want in the corner.
Okay.
There's pliers right there.
Yeah, they're just gonna come right out. Watch. Well, in theory, it's supposed to come right out.
Dude, that dude, I swear to God, was trying to rock me.
There we go.
All right.
Yeah, he hit good, huh?
Oh God, yeah. Look at that.
I'm filming right now.
Woo!
Nice red.
All right, I got another one on here. I think it's another one of those smaller salmon grouper. Let's take a look as it comes up here. He was kicking. There he is, deep color, deep color. Here he comes. Yep, another salmon grouper. Salmon grouper! Slimy. Nice. Nice widow in the bag. Another widow in the bag. Got a nice one on here, guys. He's thumping on there. Big tail thumps. This is either a medium-sized lingcod or a nice salmon grouper. This was on the live mackerel right here. About 600 feet. West side. Oh yeah, thumping, baby. West side Catalina. Watch this guy thump, Dad.
Yeah, Derek thinks he's got a good one. I gave it a rest in the back real quick.
He's starting to slow down now. He was really kicking hard when I first hooked him. Whoa!
I had to take my shirt
if it's a ling, I'm
my
gonna
shirt
yell
off.
at you to get the gap, the long gap.
You bet.
But I think it's gonna be a nice sized rockfish if I had to guess. Oh yeah, thump it, dog.
Yeah, look at him thump. Yes.
It's a good one. This is on the live mackerel.
Good.
And a circle hook, so hopefully it's got him pinned right in the corner of the mouth. Whoa, yeah, dog.
Holy, he's stalling it out.
He's stalling me out. This might be a ling. Get ready with the gap.
How much farther?
I'm on the Mount Mono.
Right here, dude. Here he is. It's white and it's long. Watch that foot. It's a shark.
Oh, it's a shark. Ah, shit. No wonder he fought so hard.
Yeah, it's a shark.
Pin back, man.
Pin back, baby. All right, I'm gonna have to bounce him up.
Okay, dude. You got pliers up here?
Not. I think they got moved to the back.
Here's Mr. Block the Road coming around you.
Okay.
Well, that was exciting.
I thought it was a ling. He fought like a ling. And he's even almost.
Around you.
Go ahead. It's almost the same size as a ling too. No wonder. All right. Let's get this guy in. Let me see the gaff real quick.
Here.
I just want to hook my line.
I'll go throw you some pliers up the deck.
Yeah. Oh, there he is. Pinback shark. Woo! All right, buddy. Look at those green eyes. Nope. Stop it. Stop it. Come on, buddy. God, these things are so strong. There he is. Okay.
You want these pliers?
Yes, toss them up here for me, please.
Slow down more.
Okay. God damn, they're so twisty. Come here, buddy. Hey, stop it. Stop it. Come on, dude. Stop curling. There he is. All right, guys. Pinback shark, going back. In the drink, buddy. See you later, homie. Back to the depths with you. Color, baby.
I'm getting very close.
Keep going, push it. I think you might have... What is it? Bring him up. Oh, yeah.
Chili pepper?
No.
Double.
Yo, you got a little one on the bottom,
I got
yeah.
a double, dude.
Yeah, that's might be a green blotch. Here, hit him.
Here,
Yeah, it is a green. It is a green blotch, like what we get at 777s. That's what that is. That's a nice one though. That's a good one.
God damn it.
Hell yeah.
That's a good one, dude.
Yeah, good one.
Two good ones.
Nice.
Oh, those are green spot.
Yeah, just like that we get at 777s.
Let's go.
Good one. Good one.
Get the little
All right, we're in them now, guys. Triple hookup. We're on the spot. We finally found the magic numbers.
That might be the new,
Here we come. Over here in the back of the
All
boat.
right.
I can't see.
My dad's got a good one on. Deep color here for him. Let's see what he's got. Push it. Keep going, keep going.
Double!
Big old red. Hell yeah. Look at that red.
Oh, mother effer.
Hell yeah.
Yes.
Nice reds. Quality. Grab that thing and lift them up. Look at that one on the top. Beautiful red.
Can't lift them.
Hold on. Lift. Lift.
Wait.
Wait.
We're in, bitch.
Nice. Double on the reds. That's what you got, Barry.
Start fishing live.
I'm on fire.
Nice.
Look at that shit. Take a picture.
I got video. We don't need pictures.
You're a flamer.
Take a picture. I want to mount it.
You're
Okay.
a flamer.
I'm gonna do a 360-degree spin. Fighter. Hooked up. Hooked up. Yeah. Drop again. I just got bit. Just do it. Good. All right. Deep color. Here we go, baby. Nice. Yeah. Good one. Green Blotch. Sweet. Barry with another salmon grouper. Yeah. Nice. Sweet.
I got color. Dude, I gotta gap him.
In the mouth. Mouth gap him.
Try it.
Lift him up. Let me see him. I'm recording. Let's see.
That's all.
Yeah.
Hey, we gotta start poking each other's back.
Couple fish in there, huh? All righty, we're hitting them. We're hitting them good. Hitting them good.
Get him, Barry.
Triple hookup again.
I use the same bait.
Deep color right here. It's yours, Dad.
That's me. Here it comes.
It's another salmon grouper. Big boy.
Look at the bubble.
Wow.
The bubble.
God damn, that's a good one. Hold them up, Dad. Let me see. Hey, Barry, step back. I'm videotaping. Let me see him. Oh, hell yeah. Nice one. All right, we're almost up here. The question is it another salmon grouper or something else? Hopefully it's a red. All right. Nice. Big son of a bitch. Deep color, here I come. Deep color. It's another green blotch, baby.
dog.
Yeah, another stud. Look at this guy.
Yes!
Mano y mano. Right, here we go. Oh yeah, another nice guy. Beautiful fish. Right in the corner of the mouth. There he is.
That's a small salmon.
That was a little guy. Got a floater up here. This is what happens when these fish pop off the hook when you almost have them to the surface. They float up to the top, so you got to keep your eyes peeled on the horizon. If you see any red or orange, you could come back around and scoop them. It's not too big. He's a medium fish. It's a salmon grouper. Okay. Scoop him. Hey Barry, that was the one you had that popped off on the way up. It's a good one.
Watch yourself. Watch yourself. Fucking guy.
Hey, slime him.
Winner.
There's a nice one.
Where's the scab? I had it right here. So
My dad likes to move gaffs.
how is it?
In my hand.
He's got it. Bounce him in. Let's see him.
Here you go.
Here, Barry. Nice one. Barry's got a good one. He's got a fighter. It's been kicking all the way up. Oh, baby.
Snap his line. Snap his line. Come on.
Cut color.
Deep color.
Cut color. Here comes the air gas.
Big old salmon grouper, baby. Yeah. Look at that. On the glow squid.
I'm grabbing his face.
There you go.
Good. Grabbing his
Bring that guy on.
face.
Nice one.
Yes.
Nice.
Sucker, get over the side.
Let's take a look at the kill bag. I'm filming right now. Let's take a look. Yeah, we got one or two in there, huh? What do you guys think? One or two? We had a few.
Well,
Booyah. What do you think, Barry?
I think we did good letting I think we're letting hot air in.
All right, guys, that does it for this one. As always, like and subscribe, comment below. Until next time, shut up and fish.